Huh? I don't remember my mustache being green. I see Emma's been painting again.
I'm so artistic.
Time for your breakfast, honey. Put the paintbrush down.
Okay, Daddy. Wait, maybe I can paint the spoon. It looks much better already.
What are you doing, sweetie? Whoa, not so fast. You can't use that.
You're mean.
Shh, don't get upset. Wait.
Outro pra cuidar da sua pele como ela merece.
Para de estar. I think this'll work. I'll just need a 3D pen and a spoon. All I have to do is follow the shape of it. Wait until Emma sees this. She's gonna love it.